This is a demo of our app MediStory. This is the welcome screen. This is the sign-in screen. A new user can choose to create an account. He can choose a profile, doctor or patient. So the doctor can give all the registration details such as name, gender and so on. The unique feature of the doctor registration is the digital signature. The doctor can choose to take a picture of his digital signature and upload it as part of the registration. Similarly, a patient can also create a new profile. Let's see what happens when a user forgets his password. He can enter his username. The password has been sent to the registered phone number. The user will get a message with the password. So let's see what happens when the doctor signs in. The doctor will see a new prescription screen. The doctor can choose to give a prescription to a patient. When the doctor clicks on the send button, the prescription is transferred to the respective patient's profile. Let's see what happens when the patient tries to sign in. The patient will see a patient menu screen. The patient can choose to search for prescriptions. He will get a view of all the prescriptions that he has in his profile. He can choose to view the details of any particular prescription. He will get the prescription along with all the details and the doctor's digital signature. The patient can also choose to set reminders to take medicines or for doctor appointments. The patient can also choose to attach files containing past blood tests or reports, for example. The patient can upload these details and can view all his uploads as well.